Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We've got a 1979 Yamaha DT250. Bike is really pretty complete. It's all pretty well here. Somebody put a chain on it at some point recently thinking they were going to ride it. That's not all rusted up. The seat is just a duct tape mess, but does have the base under it yet. Wiring's all there, included and collected. Exhaust is still good and solid, not all rusted away. It's really nice, solid, usable, and it does have some compression to it. You can hear that there's good solid compression. So this, I think, was a running bike at some recent point. Tank has a dent. I don't know if you can see that visually. And there's a chip in the glass on the speedometer, but otherwise pretty complete bike. If you're working on restoring a DT250, I'll have to validate which years parts work from and for and what other bikes they fit on, larger and smaller, but hopefully we've got what you need. And really, I'd like to get the engine, electronics, exhaust, and everything to one buyer as a complete set as we could, or even the frame if somebody actually has a need for a decent frame, because it's got a little bit of surface rust on it, but you can see it's a good solid frame. Doesn't appear to have any damage to it or any goofy welding work that somebody would have done along the way. So remember, subscribe down below, see what else we're taking apart. Check our eBay site, see what we've got left, or get a hold of us on Facebook, or you can even text me down below, 715-370-6671. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we can help you with your restoration project.